Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a social media strategy with Hootsuite beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Hootsuite website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Select a suitable plan or start with the free trial. Fill in your details and create your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Hootsuite dashboard. Locate the Add Social Network option on the left sidebar. Choose the social media platforms you want to connect. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to manage your accounts. After connecting your accounts, visit the Publisher section. Click on Create a Post to start drafting your content. Select the social media accounts where you want to share your post. Enter your text, links, and media in the designated fields. Use the built-in image editor if you wish to customize images. In the scheduling section, choose Schedule for later if you want to set a time. Select your desired date and time for the post to go live. Alternatively, click Post Now to share it immediately. Next, navigate to the Streams section to monitor your content. Set up streams for each social media account to track interactions. Use these streams to engage with your audience and respond to comments. Check the Analytics section to evaluate the performance of your posts. Review metrics like engagement, reach, and clicks to assess effectiveness. Adjust your strategy based on the analytics insights. Consider creating a content calendar in Hootsuite for planning ahead. Utilize the auto-schedule feature for optimal timing. Regularly review and refine your social media strategy as needed. With practice, you'll become more proficient in using Hootsuite to execute your social media strategy effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.